The majority of pet business owners who want things to be different a year from now are already making a huge mistake. And if you're making that mistake and you don't correct it starting today, then a year from now, you're going to be in the exact same spot as you are now. So many pet business owners are living on a hope and a prayer that things will be different this year. You might be hoping that this year you'll finally figure out the right formula, the magic trick to working less while earning more, to taking time off regularly, to stop overbooking yourself constantly, and finally earning what you are worth. Yeah, how many times have you heard pet business owners, perhaps even yourself, say this at the beginning of each year, only to end up in the exact same spot the next year, underpaid and overworked? Promising your families it'll be better this year, that you'll have more time to spend with them, or trying to prove to your extended family that this is a good business and you can earn a good living doing it without having to give up your entire life for it. Now, there are tons of marketing strategies out there. There's work processes, there's information on how to hire the right people, who to hire, what to hire for. There's so much information of how to do step by step processes to help you with your goals of earning more and working less in your pet business. Except they all forget one thing. This one thing is kind of like the elephant in the room. And if you don't address the elephant in the room, then all those things that you learn and try to apply are not going to be nearly as effective as if you actually address the elephant in the room first. You see, and that's what most juggling dog sitters do or dog walkers do. They run around trying to find the most effective strategy, the best processes, but they never address the underlying obstacle that's really getting in the way. And like most challenges in life, anytime we look for solutions outside of ourselves, we're usually going down a path to nowhere, or worse, a path to more frustrations. It's like expecting your dog to stop barking at the mailman in order for you to find peace. Good luck with that. You and I both know that is an uphill battle and one that we rarely win. However, when you look inside yourself and you begin to address those things from the inside out, you actually begin to address the root cause of nearly all of your challenges, both business and personal.